Okay, here we go. Hi. It's okay if I come and watch you guys for a second? Awesome, thanks. Okay, so you can see over here, these are the blocks that they've already cut out. So this is a pretty intensive process because these ice blocks are thick and very heavy. Sorry, I know it's really loud, so I'll try to get in a better spot where you can hear me. Okay, so these ice blocks are very heavy. I know they don't look like big chunk. I mean, like, they don't look super huge, and they really aren't super huge, but ice is so heavy. So when they are trying to cut out these notches, they have to carve them out block by block and put them off to the side over here. So, hey, how about let's make a game out of it and guess how many blocks you think it takes to carve out the whole set of notches. That would be fun. So let's see. Let's see if we can start estimating a little bit. So it looks like, hi. It looks like they have part of one notch, or maybe that is the whole notch, but just this one section right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks. So Jenny says 50. Given the current estimation, I'd say that's probably about right. But I have no idea, so let's keep watching. I won't stay here the whole time, but I'll definitely be back here over the next couple days for Tripod Weekend and beyond. So I'll be able to count the total number of blocks that come out. So yeah, keep sending your guesses. And whoever makes the first guess that is 100% correct, or at least close, we will send you a special prize. Okay, I'm gonna go in a little bit closer, and I won't say anything just because it's already way too hard to hear, but let's go watch them. Okay, so it looks like we have some new people tuning in. Welcome, Doris. Give me a shout out if it's way too hard to hear, but I will keep trying my best to talk. Oh, they turned the chainsaws off for now. Okay, so this is what's going on. They are cutting the notches in the ice so that they can place the tripod in there. This weekend on Sunday will be the 2023 tripod raising. So there's the tripod tower with the clock, and the tripod is right there sitting next to it. So they will deconstruct the 2023 tripod, load the pieces on the back of a truck, drive it down onto the ice, and place the base of the tripod into these notches. So what they're doing right now is carving out the notches by slicing it into bricks of ice. I hope that answers your question, Doris. Welcome, by the way. So these are the ice blocks that have been carved out and removed already. There's 10 of them so far, and so we made it into a little guessing game to see how close anyone can get for how many ice blocks they're carving out. What you're doing, you're slicing chunks of ice out to be able to lay the tripod in there. Do you want to tell me anything else about it?
The actual tripod becomes a part of the ice, so it'll sit about 2 feet down. We'll fill it up with water. It'll freeze solid, and when this whole ice sheet goes, the tripod goes with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have a decent pile of blocks by then.
Cool. I kind of made it into a fun contest to see how, you know, like what people's guesses are of how many blocks it'll take. So don't tell us, but
this will be an interesting year to do that because there are going to be far fewer than there have been in prior years.
Oh, interesting. So why is that?
Because I usually have my nephews helping me pull them out. And 2 adults can lift bigger pieces than a bunch of little kids can. That, and he gets way carried away with them, and they're too big anyway.
Well, cool. That's super fun.
So
and
it's not going to be many.
Okay, well, we'll see how close we can get, and that's extra fun to know that it's a different year than normal, so it'll kind of throw people for a loop.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot fewer by like 20%. Yeah, interesting.
Cool.
It's a lot of work cutting them, so if you can make them bigger, it's always easier.
Yeah, that makes sense.
They come out pretty good with the stick we're using, so.
Yeah. Well, thanks again. This is really fun to watch. So we're gonna trek down to the river and see how many blocks there are. And this could be kind of crazy because I could just walk all the way down like I did last time, but I'm going to try to at least attempt to climb this ice mountain. See, I've got my bunny boots, whoa, and my heated gloves. I bought these just so that I could film outside for you guys. And let me tell you, they are amazing. They really, really feel a lot nicer than having my fingers freeze like crazy. All right. So, whoa! Well, it seems like I'm graceful in some things, but obviously not in this. Okay, so I'm gonna trek down. Actually, I'm just gonna slide down, and then I'm gonna trek over there. See how this goes. Okay. Okay, that was fun, although I did get snow up my snow pants. Okay, now this is also the tricky part because the other day when I went through here, I kept sinking just like that. Okay, so, all right, we'll see how this goes. Okay, not too bad so far. Not too bad. But this is the most direct way. Ooh. Okay. Definitely getting deeper. Okay. Have a little reprieve now, but I'm not gonna get fooled because this is definitely, I could sink at any moment. I mean, not sink into the water, of course, but sink through the snow, because this is like a couple feet of snow before it hits the ice. Okay, I'm getting lucky. And I think the reason is because it is 22 below out here, and everything just kind of hardens up when it gets that low. So The other day I was sinking pretty much every footstep, and today it's way better because it's crusty on top. So, okay, we're almost there. Woo. We're really close, and we're gonna count how many ice blocks. Woo. Okay, now it's getting really deep. Whew. Okay. See, you really never know. Now it's just smooth sailing right here. Okay. There we go. Yeah, see, what did I tell you? That was a surprise. I got a little too confident. Okay. This is just silly. Okay. Okay, and this area is all plowed out, so I'm not gonna sink around here. All right. Oh, looks like some of the ice chunks got broken out. Oh. And the water has come in to the ditch, so it's frozen over. I don't know what they do with that. This is probably perfectly normal, but to be quite honest, I've never been here when before the tripod has been put up on the ice. So I guess tomorrow we'll see what they do with this. But there's some ice blocks. There's part of the tripod. Here's the other pieces of the tripod. This is so cool. And here's the other ice blocks. Okay, so we're gonna count. And I suppose, what do we do with these? I suppose I will try to count complete blocks as possible. If there's like a half or something, or a quarter, or that like obviously can't match them, I'm not going to count them as full blocks. So, and I'm not going to count all those pieces. I will count those back there though. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Okay, we're gonna say this is 42, these, and 43. Let's say 44. This is hard to call, guys. I'll just say 45, 46, 47, okay? Okay? Sorry. I'm not actually watching the camera, I'm watching the blocks. Okay, 47 on this side. I hope that feels fair to everyone, but honestly, it is really hard to make a call on exactly how many blocks. And here's the other side. Okay. Uh-oh. Did I say 42 or 47? Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, I think it was 47. I have to go back and rewatch that. All right, I just confirmed. It is 47. Of course, you who are watching would have just known because it was like just a few seconds ago. But apparently, I have short-term memory loss. Okay, so we're starting with 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, I'm kind of laughing because my guess was 56. So here we go. That's 56. So I didn't win. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Okay guys, 63 blocks. And I know it's kind of a hard call to make because there is this quarter one here, but I did determine at the beginning that I'm not going to count like just quarter blocks unless we can match them up to make a full block somehow. So there we go. That's how many blocks we have. So we're going to do a shout out to the winners. Rebecca has gathered all the guesses, and we'll be contacting those that got the right guess or closest to it. Hooray guys, this is so exciting.